Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and thank you for joining me for another video. So today we are making hush puppies, y'all. These are so fluffy, buttery, and delicious. So to get started, I'm going to take 1 cup of cornmeal along with 1 cup of flour. I'm going to use a little bit of sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and mix it with all of my spices. And this is a really easy recipe, y'all. So now that I have all of my dry ingredients ready to go, I'm going to mix together my wet ingredients. So I'm using buttermilk, butter, I have eggs, a little bit of onion, and a little bit of jalapeno. I'm going to mix that together, and then I'm going to incorporate that into the dry ingredients. So I'm just going to mix all of the ingredients well until a soft dough forms. And if anybody's interested, I just use a little bit of jalapeno just to give it a little kick. You could always add more if you wanted to. Alright, so now it's time to fry up the hush puppies. So my oil is heated to 350 degrees. And I'm just going to drop the batter into the hot oil by the teaspoonfuls. And these are going to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once I have all of my hush puppies fried, I place them on a paper towel lined plate so that we can drain any excess oil. And then I finally garnish it with a little bit of chopped parsley, serve it with lemon wedges and tartar sauce. And when I tell you these are good, crunchy on the outside, soft, fluffy, buttery, delicious on the inside. My family actually cannot get enough of these, y'all. But do let me know what you think about them down in the comments. I will leave the recipe linked if you decide to try them. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!